What's up guys, here's Claudio from Visual Modo WordPress themes, and in today's video we're gonna learn how to add a Facebook page like box or fan page box that is fully interactive, that people can like your Facebook page from your WordPress website just like this, into your footer, sidebar, into some widget, into any location of your WordPress website for free and without plugins. Let's learn how to do this, but before I can continue, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button, like this video and share this content with a friend of yours. You have no idea how much it helps us, because we bring daily videos about WordPress, SEO, plugins, optimizations and many more topics in order to choose internet on a site's favors. So let's get this started. First thing to do is go to your Facebook fan page and grab the URL of the page, okay? The link that you see on your browser tab. In my case it's facebook.com Visual Modo, okay? Now go to Google and type page plugin Facebook, and this is the guide that we're looking for, developers.facebook.com docs page plugin. Click on it. You're gonna be able to go to a page just like this one, okay? Remember, you must be logged in on your Facebook account in order to access this page, okay? After, basically all you have to do now is into this field right here, Facebook page URL, place your Facebook page URL. Now I'm gonna jump these steps, okay, so we can explore it later. And get code. There is a two parts code. There is this note, see this app is in developer mode, nothing to worry right here, okay? Just grab the code, copy that, go to your WordPress, find the location where you would like to apply this code. For example, a widget, a place on your sidebar, a page or a sidebar of your blog. Click into the plus button, search for a widget called custom HTML, place the code, type enter, go back to Facebook, copy the second part of the code, place the code, and if you preview, here is the results we got. Let me just change this part right here on the Facebook page. Name gonna be Visual Modo, just like this. And into the second part, the same. Now let's go to preview, and here is what we see. Simple, right? And you can apply this into any location of your WordPress. There's no need of coding, of plugins, of complicated things. Now imagine that you would like to customize this, okay? Imagine that you just want the like box, the like button. Nothing to worry. Place the page URL. Here's the result. We can hide some parts of the content, use a small header, show or not show, adapt to the screen, and can you see into the part tabs, we're gonna delete this part. And here's what we have, only the first part of the page. Let's use the small header, let's hide the cover photo, and this is the result we got, only the bottom. Get code, and now you need to get the new code. Copy the first part, place right here, type enter, copy the second part, place right here, and let's preview. Here is the result we got, and we can embed this into any section of our site to collect more likes, more followers to our Facebook page. Simple, easy and very effective. And of course it gives your site a social proof that make people trust more on you, and it is. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to use the comment section below in the case that you have any question. Don't forget to check out the visualmodo.com portfolio of amazing WordPress themes, or borderless plugin to gain widgets, elements, templates and tools to build up your site, or Enzo WordPress theme, the best for WordPress theme you can install to customize your site in the way that you want. Our growth.net platform, a place where we can submit your blog for receiving and publishing guest posts. Our sites.gallery, that is a place where you can submit your blog, your app, your game to be promoted. And in the case that you want to go premium while you're doing your site, go to visualmodo.com, purchase the Visual Modo Pass, and unlock full access to our entire templates library with hundreds of pre-built websites for every single business style, in addition to premium icons, blocks, assets, tools, templates, plugins, and many more features to create the site of our dreams. And that is. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I see you tomorrow. All the best!